Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crazy Sam with another of my layouts. This is what I call my 2 million Killbox. This is one of the bigger ones that I've designed. So let's first take a look at the Outpost. Let's skip this part like I normally do, and I'll give you an overview through the edit mode. And let's get this out of the way. Okay, so now you can see the base. You need to keep adjusting the field of view. So yeah, so you have one layer down here with a set of weapons, which will be a combination of sieves and your twin barrel guns. Same thing would be on the side, be a combination of sieves and light guns and so on. And also towards the back, got similar number of same, got the sieves and light guns. It's going all around, and each of those are fed. I mean, there's ammo feeders, so they are all getting fed. It's fully functional. And we come to the next layer, and up front you have my 5 Hellfires up here, a few of my smart mortars. Got a Supreme loader which is supplying most of them, and then I have it giving out to these auto loaders, the regular ones, which in turn would feed the guns. So it's a dual thing. It's additionally, I mean, the loader can get to these directly as well as feed the auto loaders when need be. You have a couple of your new exterminator guns, another Hellfire down there. We have your conveyor system here for the Supremes. There's one Supreme down here, another one here, and then you have your conveyor set with a load of there's about, I think, 10. There's 6 here, and then there's 6 here. So it's 12 ammo loaders, I mean the advanced ammo makers, just supplying ammo. So it's going to keep, you have your conveyor system, so the ammo once it's full will keep circulating, and you have that loader feeding those ones towards the back. It's a similar setup on both sides. You have 2 exterminators, 1 Hellfire, 2 exterminators, 1 Hellfire. We'll come up to the next level here, which is another combo of Hellfires and exterminators. So you have ones facing out on each side. And then on top we have your big guns. We have the electromagnetic cruiser cannons, 3 of them. You have your twin barrel 105mm. Down in the back again, this is being fed by another Supreme loader, which is also connecting to auto loaders. But in some cases the distance is not enough for it to feed it directly, so I've done it transferring to this, and then that feeds the shells. Similarly on this side we have another auto loader, and we have a ton of smart motors up here. We have your rocket arrays. Again have your feeding through advanced ammo makers. So I have 3 ammo makers and I have 2 round producers. These ones I would need artillery shells for these, so you have the round producer there. Basic cargo drones. I have quite a few, in fact. I have 3, and then 3 down here, and then on the other side. And yeah, I have the vanguards, couple of them, one on each side. I have the nuke silos up here. I don't normally use the nukes because it creates the sandstorm and it blocks out when you go into command mode. So I normally don't use it, but I'll just put it on there. A couple of missile silos, the missile silos down here. In the back as well, I have ammo feeders here, the auto loaders, which are supplying to these at the back just in case. You normally don't get enemies in the back, but I normally have experienced it with those nebulas. They tend to drop towards the back sometimes, and then they'll start destroying parts of the base from the back. So I normally keep a few guns just for them specifically, and rarely when you're going to one of the nodes there might be some enemies which spawn at the back. And yeah, then you have your main tower, which I can go through here and show you. This is from that secondary level. So you come up here and then you would go up to my core tower. These are all your smart stake walls and artillery formations and all those. You have a couple of Promethean field generators there, one on each side. Promethean device, as they call it. And yeah, so this is another of my big setups, if I may call it that. With a sufficient number of Hellfires, the ones in the front take care of most of the business. And of course I've used the range system on them, so the ones inside on the lower levels will have a lesser range so that they don't fire unnecessarily. These ones are set to max range, so at 12,000, so they would do the brunt of the damage for the enemies coming from the front. And yeah, it's scaled differently for each one depending on the level they're at. And yeah, that's about it. This is once again what I like to call my $2 million value Killbox. It's pretty efficient in terms of I've taken it out on the infinite mode, and well, I had to stop unfortunately. I got to 30 stage, or whatever you want to call it, level 30, and then I had to quit. So it's pretty efficient. I could have still gone further, but I had to stop for some other reason. So it's fully efficient in terms of managing. It can do city 5 pretty easily if I have enough materials. As you can see, the materials stacked up is 168k. So, and also the power, what I've tried to do is get sufficient power in there so that I can skip most of the nodes and just do the few important ones where I can get some good loot and then go on to recovery. So yeah, that's my 2 million value Killbox. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe if you did, and that's it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care guys. Bye.